Hey guys, Jason Cadron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Hey Katie.
Hey Jason.
How's it going?
Oh, I'm so good.
Hey YouTubers, how's everybody doing?
Guess what?
What? We're back on Patreon.
Woo,
We're
woo!
making a push. We need you to be there. Come follow us, sign up, be part of this unique community that we're gonna build on our Patreon. We're gonna have lots of new fun stuff on there. We're gonna have special reactions just for you. We're gonna have extra bonus content and footage from the reactions that you see and love on here.
Yep.
And
that
a lot of
YouTube
other
won't
stuff.
allow.
That's right. So click that button, go follow us on Patreon, and let's go deeper into our friendship. Hey guys, as music professionals and entrepreneurs, Katie and I have been on the search for an all-natural product that can help with our overall energy and fatigue. We found it. It's a product called Lifewave and X39 Patches. We believe in it so much, we're not even getting paid to talk about this, and we wanted to share it with you and all of our clients.
This patch has changed our lives, and I know it will change yours as well. Click the link below to find out more information. Ooh, let's get intimate.
Yo, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, that's what we're doing on this couch. Katie's married. I'm gonna get a text from her husband.
Seriously.
Hey.
Ring, ring, ring.
I know, right? Hey, what are we doing today? We're reacting to videos with who?
Gabriel.
Subscribe to the YouTube.
Oh,
hit that
thank
subscribe
you, Carlos.
button.
You must subscribe.
Yeah, hit that subscribe. Yes. Let's react to the video, shall we?
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. You guys love
I'm
him.
most excited about this one.
Yeah, are you really?
Yeah, it's like my favorite song
it's one of your
of all
favorite
time.
songs. Here we go.
Earth song. I mean, this gives, I melt. I melt away with this song. He has the best curls.
Yeah, those curls are great. We need a little more volume. Which one's plus?
What about the rain? What about all the things that you say the words again?
Oh, his edge.
What about killing fields? Is there time? What about all the things that you say was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we shared before?
His runs are just
So good. So tasteful.
so tasteful. Oh, wow.
Chills.
Your dream. I used to place beyond the stars. Now I don't know where we are. I know, pretty far.
Whoa. It's like he just went into fifth gear.
I mean,
That release.
so released.
Wow.
Look how relaxed his tongue is.
So relaxed. God. Oh, he leaned into that.
This is my favorite part of the song.
What
You've got to stop.
Holy shit.
I can't go on.
What? Oh my gosh, I have so many emotions going on inside my body.
Same. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that growl at the end. Oh my holy cow.
Holy.
Golden cow.
Holy. Oh my God, can you say that? I mean, Katie.
Wow. Okay, so for one thing, this is going to be my main statement for him. So my main statement for him is he covers the icons of singers.
Yeah.
Like everyone globally looks to the singers that he's covering. And each time he blows it out of the water.
Yeah.
In his own way, with keeping a beautiful, original, like cohesiveness to the song.
Sure.
Also, this song is literally just my favorite of Michael Jackson's. I think MJ would be so proud.
Oh, he'd be blown away.
And then, you know, the fact of like everyone in the world is experiencing just, it's a crazy time in our world, right?
Yeah.
And what a song to just listen to and
Yeah, I was thinking about that while I was
reflect
doing
on.
it too. Like, we don't really have songs like this that much anymore.
no.
We're churning out songs so fast that I think songs that have a social challenge to them or
Yeah.
encouragement, they're not, there's so many reasons why that is, but this song has stood the test of time. It was fantastic. I mean,
Sustaining and whistle that long?
I mean, crazy. It was so, you guys, it was so crazy. I was in my mind, silently, I was begging him to stop because I didn't know how to emotionally carry on anymore with it.
I'm a
just
cluster F of emotions.
It was
inside.
just like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It was so
the best
incredible.
overwhelming feeling ever.
Yeah, it was so incredible. So crazy. In fact, I think on this one, go over to our Patreon. We're going to give some extra bonus footage on this
Yep.
one. It was just
Oh
so
my
crazy. We got to really break this one down. But we're kind of out of time for now. I hope you guys enjoying this. We obviously, from our reaction, like,
Obsessed with him.
yeah, this
Love
was
him.
crazy, crazy,
We
crazy,
need to get him
crazy.
on the channel.
We need to get him on the channel. We need to get, I don't know, like soap for your mouth for saying vulgar things.
I know, but I can't help it. It's so good that bleh.
Rightly so. Hey, until next time, I'm Jason Couture.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal
The
Lab
Lab
Collective.
Holy cow.